My name is 𝗵𝘁𝘂𝗹𝘁𝘂𝗶迄𝗴𝘂𝘁. I studied economics, law, history, and my results were A star in law, A in history, and an A in economics, and then an A star in Welsh back. So my next plan is to go to University of Warwick to study law, and then on from that, eventually I want to become a barrister. Landed, yeah, put a lot of work in. It's nice to see it all come together, and it's nice to make my parents proud.
So my name's Caitlin. I studied biology, chemistry, maths and Welsh back, and I'm going to Bath Uni for pharmacy. I had A's and everything, so I'm pretty happy with that. Well, I cried this morning when I found out I got into uni.
My name is 𝗖𝗂𝗶𝘁𝘂𝗹𝘁𝘂. I studied psychology, sociology and health and social care at A-level. I'm going on to do criminology, psychology with a year abroad in Swansea Uni. Like amazing. An A star in sociology, an A in psychology, an A in Welsh back and a B in health and social care. I was not expecting to get the A star in sociology. I was going to actually drop that subject in first year and I was adamant I was not going to take it in second. And it became my highest subject in my first year. So they egged me on to continue it, and then I've ended up with an A star in it. So, you know, thanks to the lecturers, I've got that grade now.
So my name is 𝗖𝗂𝗶𝘁𝘂𝗹𝘁𝘂𝗶迄𝗴𝘂𝘁, and I studied a level 3 extended diploma for the entry to the uniformed services at 𝗖𝗂𝗹𝘁𝘂𝗹𝘁. I got a distinction, which my lecturers told me it's expected results anyways, because for every unit in the course, it was just distinction it was. I'll be doing a public services bachelor's honours degree at 𝗖𝗂𝗹𝘁𝘂𝗹𝘁.
Fy enw yw Hayden, astudies i Saesneg iaith, Saesneg llyn a Ffrangeg, a ges i a B. Dwi'n mynd i Brifysgol 𝗵𝘁𝘂𝗶𝘁𝘂𝗶 mwyn astudio Ffrangeg, Almaeneg ac Eidaleg, a dwi'n gobeithio gallai cael blwyddyn dramor hefyd. Dwi'n bach yn gyffrous, o'n i'n tyfu bach yn nerfus dod mewn, ond wel, dwi'n hapus iawn a dweud y gwir. Wel, dwi'n edrych ymlaen i astudio ieithoedd wrth gwrs, ond dwi'n aros am Hant y Celyn mwyn gallu aros gyda siaradwyr Cymraeg, ond dwi'n edrych ymlaen at gael gradd, ac efallai jyst mynd ymlaen mewn rhyw fath o yrfa, hoffwn i fod yn athro.
I'm Cian Crocker. I studied a level 3 BTEC in engineering, and I had a distinction star, distinction. I've applied for the Navy, so I'm just finishing some of the security checks now, and hopefully I'll be starting training for an air engineer.
I am Declan Hughes, and I had a distinction star, and I studied music. I'm going to study jazz at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. It's been a roller coaster. There's been a lot of opportunities given to me by Carolyn, our music lecturer, where I've been able to perform in ensembles of all shapes and sizes, and it's really helped shape me as a musician.
Yeah, Jeremy Moyles ydw i, aelod y Senedd lleol, o'n i'n dod i'r coleg heddi i ddathlu diwrnod canlyniadau, a mae mor wych i weld cymaint o bobl ifanc yma yn gwenu ac yn edrych ar eu canlyniadau ac yn llwyddo. Mae'r canlyniadau wedi bod yn arbennig iawn leni, mae wastad yn grêt weld pobl ifanc yn llwyddo. Mae'r coleg wastad yn llwyddo, mae'n rhan o'r gymuned leol, mae'n rhan o'r economi leol, ond hefyd yn darparu cyfleoedd arbennig i bobl ifanc sydd yn wych i weld.